We're getting rid of these locks, and we'll tell you why.
Did you swear?
Nope. Yep. Today, we're upgrading. No name brand. No, I'm just kidding. Should be a pretty easy install.
Just like the last one?
Just like the last one. Crap, I dropped a screw.
Do you know how hard this is? Are you going to use the instructions this time?
Nope.
But if you are...
Man.
It looks like I'm going to have to go help him.
We're getting rid of these locks, and we'll tell you why. These are the ONNAIS door locks. And we've had this one for over a year. And we love it because it's hands-free, don't need a key, and you can use the remote just by locking it like that. And the other good thing is if you're in the truck and someone needs to get in real fast, well, pop. Away it goes. No keys, open the door, do what you got to do. But today we're upgrading. We're getting rid of this ONNAIS keypad for a good upgrade. And you're probably wondering what kind of lock we got for an upgrade. Well, I'm going to show you. No name brand. No, I'm just kidding. To another ONNAIS door lock. This one is the RV Pro. Should be a pretty easy install.
Just like the last one?
Just like the last one. So this time it should be just take one out, put one in.
Honey.
Yeah.
Are you going to use the instructions this time?
Nope. Never. We're not going to do a how-to install because you can go online and there's a zillion of them. Even if you go on to ONNAIS's YouTube channel, there are tons of install videos. So we're not going to do that today. We're just going to take the old one off, put the new one on. Katie's going to calibrate it because if you guys seen the last video when we installed these originally, I did not have much luck getting it to work. It's a woman's touch, apparently. She did the same thing I did, but I couldn't get it to work. And she got it to work. I don't know. It's a setup. I swear it's a setup.
Electronics like me more.
Yeah. Okay, moving on. So the one good thing about the Pro version is one remote can do 2 locks. Last time, one remote could only do 1 lock, so we had 4 of these. There's a difference. They're roughly the same size. But this one can control 2 locks. This one only 1 lock. It still has the separate key. You just gotta pull that little tab, pull the key out, and then you can put it in the lock. So on the old one, if you come with me, it has this little knob that just locks the handle, which is good on travel days, so you don't accidentally pop it open if you forget to do the deadbolt. So that's kind of a cool idea. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work tearing out the old ones and installing the new ones. Ooh, I wonder if we should time it to see how long it takes. That's fun.
Just 1 or 2?
Hold on, because 1, I never have all the tools I need at the time, and I start a project and I'm like, I need that. I need this. But I think I'm set. Let's see here. Boop, boop. Okay, hold on. Ready, set. There we go.
Okay.
How long are these screws?
Isn't that what you said last time?
No, I don't know. I don't remember. That was over a year ago.
Yes, it was.
I guess we should say we didn't pay for these door locks. ONNAIS sent them to us.
To review.
To install and review because they seen that we had the old ones on and they wanted to see if we were interested on the upgrade version, the Pro version I guess it's called, And we said, yeah, sure. And Katie has more on that.
So while Jason's trying to figure out how to unscrew and prep for install.
I'm not figuring out. I'm doing. I'm a doer.
If you are at all interested in these ONNAIS Guard Pro RV locks, we are going to take the next little while and test the upgraded version for ONNAIS and give you a report back. I doubt we'll have any issues.
Crap, I dropped a screw. Sorry. As you were.
Hold, please. Seriously?
Yeah, it hit my foot. We got spares.
Do we?
Well, not really.
No. Got it.
Okay, just set it on the table.
It was a little silver one?
Yep.
Yeah. So we are going to test out the Guard Pro version of these ONNAIS locks over the next little while and report back to you to see if the upgrade was worth it or if we were satisfied with the SE version. Like Jason mentioned, there are a couple of differences, but if you are...
Man!
My husband can't keep his stuff together.
I'm racing against the clock.
What did you do that for?
So I made it a competition.
He's racing against the clock, but I'm not. If you're interested, we have put a lot of work into updating our little Amazon affiliate link store. You can see it online, sg2rvlife.ca/gear. There's links there to all of our affiliate links on Amazon. So we do earn... Did you drop another one? 2?
No, I dropped 2. I dropped 3.
Do you know how hard this is to film while you're dropping things? If you are interested at all in these locks, check out our links down below on ONNAIS. It's in the description. And in the meantime, check out our discount code ONNAIS.
Baby.
Check out our discount code SG2RV15 to get 15% off any product on the ONNAIS shop. They do ship to Canada if you order online from their official store. I made sure that we found that out, but if you order from Amazon, they will not ship to Canada. So, Canadians, we recommend these locks. Order from that. It looks like I'm going to have to go help him.
Just me dropping.
Now, I guess we never really discussed since upgrading our locks, because we know that all of the factory RV door locks are keyed.
There's like 6 keys for the RV industry. So you get like a 1 in 6 chance of breaking in someone's house if you really wanted to.
Have we ever felt unsafe or unsecure with the RV door locks from ONNAIS?
No, absolutely not. We've actually felt way more secure. Because, I mean, there's a code. There's a deadbolt. It all locks really well. It's a very sturdy piece of equipment. It's mostly all metal. So, no. And we boondock a lot. So we wanted to have that added security of being able to leave our rig out in the boondocks and go do some daily activities and not have to worry about the chances of somebody trying to get in. I mean, if someone wants to get in, they're going to get in. But
these are a deterrent.
These are a deterrent.
Yeah. Oh, does that mean 30 seconds of that is paused on your...
Oh, yeah, baby.
You get a 30-second grace?
And P.S. I am using the old plate.
So technically they do also provide you the screwdriver?
Yeah. Well, I didn't take it out. This is out of the old box. And it's all the same. Which makes your install really easy. Got to do the test to make sure everything works. All right. Here we go. 10 minutes, 28 seconds. I can improve on that. I drop stuff. I misalign stuff. Number 2, I'm going to get it within 8 minutes. Guaranteed. All right. Main door is finished. Time to tackle the second one. I'm going to do it within 8 minutes.
Ready?
Ready, set, start.
Okay.
$5.56, baby. Blew it out of the water by 2 minutes. Okay, the rest is up to you. You can
I got this.
do the techie stuff.
Set. There it goes.
Oh, it makes a different tone.
Different beep.
Okay, now hit the
So,
lock.
lock button.
Locked.
Yep.
Yep.
You gotta prove it.
Yeah. All right, let's do this. All right.
Unlocked, baby.
Done.
And enter. And then press set.
3 times.
Yep. And then press any button on the fob here. And then apparently the keypad flashes, but it's pretty sunny out, so
It did something. There you go. Voila. Locked. Unlocked.
Unlocked.
Okay, now I'm going to front of the rig. This is like 30 feet.
lock. Now it is.
Okay. This has got to be 50.
Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. I can hardly see you. How far are you?
I'm like 150 feet at least. Ready?
Yeah. Lock. Unlock.
Holy. Okay, so the consensus is you can probably lock it from another state. That's kind of long distance. Someone has to go potty real fast, like the passenger. You hit this, I think they're good to go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there you have it.
New door locks.
Yeah. 16 minutes. So it's been about a month since we installed our ONNAIS Guard Pro locks, and so far we're loving them. They got a 9-digit keypad, and you can run the 2 locks off of 1 key fob. And that magnetic latch hasn't failed us yet. That's working out pretty well too. So what are we doing with our old locks? Well, we're going to give them away. Because of the upgrade we just did, we're going to give away our older ONNAIS Guard SE to 1 lucky viewer. Yeah, 2 of them. So if you'd like to have these locks, comment yes please below in the comments. And to keep things fair and easy for us, there's a giveaway form linked in the description and pinned comment. So make sure you fill it out so we can randomly pick a winner and have it shipped to you. This giveaway is open to Canada and US only, unfortunately, and we'll leave it open for a couple of weeks. Just check the close date in the description. After that, we'll draw 1 name at random and contact them directly. Good luck, and thanks for rolling with us. Locked. ONNAIS every door locks, the Pro version. 2 locks, 1 key fob, easy peasy. Beauty check.
Some flyaways. Beauty check.
And you also have a remote that you can
We've never had to change a battery until now.
Oh, I just gotta hold it. Where am I at?
It's got a remote that you can
That you can use. Shit.
start that whole thing over with the remote in your pocket this time.
Oh.
Did you swear?
Nope. Yep. Is this the new one? Or is
I
that?
hope so.
Yeah, me too. course it is. I'm just playing.